In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Hallmark Movies subscription on Roku. Step 1 is to cancel on the Roku device. Press home on your Roku remote, highlight the Hallmark Movies Now channel but do not open it. Press the start button to open the options menu. Select manage subscription, then select cancel subscription and confirm. You can also cancel via the Roku website by going to my.roku.com and signing in. Click manage your subscriptions, then find Hallmark Movies Now and click unsubscribe or cancel subscription, then confirm. Step 3. Check external purchases. If you do not see your subscription in Roku, you may have subscribed via Apple, Amazon or the Hallmark website. Cancel through the respective provider's website or app instead of through Roku. Step 4. Confirmation and access. You will retain access until the end of your billing period. Look for a confirmation email to make sure that your cancellation is actually cancelled. Tips and notes: removing the app from Roku does not cancel the subscription. Cancel at least 24 hours before renewal to avoid unwanted charges, and contact Roku or Hallmark support if you have any issues. And that is how you cancel your Hallmark Movies Now subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.